Okay, this video is started. हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ आनंद। तो आज से हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं कुछ लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग, कुछ एपिसोड जहाँ हम डिस्कस करेंगे कोड मींस डीएसए, जो हमारे इंटरव्यूज़ में है या हमारे जो अपकमिंग हैकाथॉन्स हैं, लाइक इन्फिनिटी सॉरी इन्फोसिस विद इन्फिनिटी and TCS Coding Ninja and Code Beta Season 10 now is upcoming. So registration is over. So we will learn this code for our placement and internship. So here we will learn some discussion point of view of every program. Like if you have some problem, then we will discuss here with more than one people or two or three. Every person have their approach. You will learn different kind of approach, and after this you will get like one group. There you will share your code and ask your problem. We will discuss that and learn something new. Okay, today's starting. So our starting is main point in DSA is starting from array and string. So what is array and string? You can see here, like array and string. An array is a sequential collection of variable of same data type. I think all of you know it is stored data element in a continuous memory location. Okay, it means it's a store continuous memory location, not like this one like we will draw like here array, like this is array. Okay, it will have like 3 and 3 6. Its size is 6. So one element is here, two element here, and three element here. It is not possible in array because it is a continuous memory location. So third element should be there. There is no blank in between element. At last it can be blank. Okay. So so it's over. Now a string is a sequence of character. In other words, we can say that string is a array of character data type. You will get an overview of how to approach and implement them. Okay, let's we have some problems like easy to moderate level. Like you can say here like a monk rotation, monk inversion, cyclic shift, minimum, and XOR. Okay, unlucky. Like there is a problem on the level like easy one, medium, and hard. It is a course outcome very effective. You will crack all low level of exam of competitive. Okay, so this is question. So I will read this question. After this my friend will also share their approach. They are live with us. Their names are like Rajneesh and Dushyant. Okay, so this question is monk loves to perform a different operation on array, and so being the principal of Hackerearth school, he assigned a task to his new student Miski. Miski will be provided with an array or A of size n and an integer k. There she needs to rotate the array in the right direction by k steps, and then print the resultant array as she is new to the school. Please help her to complete the task. Okay, what is the meaning of this question? There is array, okay, which is a task assigned to Miski. Miski is mischievous girl. You can say mischievous. Like always trying to do something new. So you try to rotate array with the right direction with k step. Okay. So here is some format how this program will coded. Okay, it is hint like a first line will consist of one integer t denoting number of test cases for each test case. Okay, the first line consists of two integer n and k, n being number of element. Okay, you will read and understand what is it. Okay. Main concept is their explanation, like this is test case, Okay, this is the number of element. This is a number of steps rotate. Okay, this is number of element. This is number of steps rotate. This is the array. We have given this array. We need output like this. Means last two element come in front. Okay, means array is shifting. So here is a explanation like t is 1, which means one test case. N equal to 5 denoting number of element in an array, and k equal to 2 denoting the number of steps of rotation. Initial array this, and but its operation is performed one by one. Okay, so and the second rotation it will this, because we need to rotate only two steps, so we need to two step, but if we more step it will like a work like loop. So we will talk with my friend and know about their approach, how they approach about this problem. Okay, so now we will call to Mr. Dusyant. Okay, hello Dusyant, how are you? Oh, sorry, Dusyant is not available, so we will call Mr. Rajneesh. Hello. Oh, sorry, they are not
Oh,
available. Hello, Mr. Rajneesh.
hello. I am audible to you, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Rajneesh is now audible. So Rajneesh will share
Yes, yes,
their
yes.
approach. Okay, Rajneesh, how you approach this problem? Please, please share your
So,
approach.
bro, can I ask you something? I think this approach in which language? Mostly in English, we can use both Hindi or English.
Okay, okay. You can use English, means Hindi plus English. That is understandable for all our Indians. We know very well.
Hello, everyone. As you can see that in the questions, if an array is given, so in these questions, we want to rotate with the key. Let's say the key is k is equal to 2. सो हमें क्या करना है, एरे का एरे दे रखा है हमारा कोई भी है, और इसमें हमें टू टाइम्स उस एरे को रोटेट करना है, मतलब मींस उसके एलिमेंट को रोटेट करना है. लेट्स से एरे इज 1 2 3 4 5. सो एवरी एलिमेंट इज रोटेटेड बाय टू टाइम्स. बेसिकली लेट्स से जैसे जैसे कि इसमें है 1.
Sorry, the meeting is ended. So let's we will discuss our means our approach. What is my approach about this problem? As I'm mostly of time, if we need STL, then we go for Python. If we need a function, then we go for static code in array. Then we go for like in C++. I will suggest you, if you have two-dimensional or three-dimensional array question, then you will use always C++. It is beneficial for us because in Python there is a different library. So that time you need an array like a static code for like a particular approach. That time might be Python you have a problem, because Python static code is different. Okay, let we will discuss how this problem is work. Let me take this is example. Okay, this is example of array, given array. So like here you can see explanation is already given, but I will suggest you how this is problem is working. Like first we need to take input this case. Okay, like first we take input and from user like test case. Okay, now it's solved. Okay, after that we will enter number of element. Okay, if we don't have number of element, then how to get number of element in array? Okay, just you need to calculate size of array. Okay, size of array is the number of size of array, and divide the uh, one cell of array means one one element get sized in array. It will depend on architecture of computer like x64 or sorry 86. It's a different type, like sometime int array always in int. Okay, so it take like 2 byte, or sometime it 4 byte, different architecture. So okay, so after you get an, but according to this problem, there you will get number of element and number of steps. This is the number of steps where you will get how to how much step you need to rotate this array. Okay, like you can see here, the k equal to 2 denoting the number of steps of rotation. Okay, after this you need to how to rotate this array. Okay, you have an array, you need to first rotate first element. uh, okay, uh, then how you can use this, my approach is you need to create a one additional variable which store last element. Okay, one additional variable you create and store last element in this variable. After that, uh, use shift operation like ai. ai means one shift to means 4 shift to this location, like this location will be a4. Okay, if there is array, then its index start from 0. Okay, it is fixed now. So there is an array, sorry. So if you shift this question like fourth element to fifth place, you will use a n minus 1. N means number of element, n minus 1 means last element, equals to a n minus 2. Okay, n minus 2, why you use n minus 2, or I think you need to use n minus 1, like create two variable, and after this you use loop and use decrement operator. Then 4 shift to this location, 3 shift to fourth location, 2 shift to third location, 1 shift to 2 location, and in first position at a0 equals to, after this a0 equal to 5. Okay, that time this result will be like this. Okay, after this again you need to use same approach, like how last element 4 you need to store in a variable like you created extra, and after that you shift third to this position, 2 to third position, 1 to second position, fifth to 1st position. Now a0 equals to 4. Okay, now this result will be this, means our question is solved because we need to only rotate 2 times. Okay, this will I'm discuss here this approach. Okay, this question's code will be I will share on next day because video will be long if we writing there is code. So next day we will discuss about this code, this problem's code in like C++ and Python. Okay, in two languages, and also discuss new problem. Okay, day by day we will discuss new problem, which is this is our first video, so I think there might be some issues. Okay, so let's try to understand our problem. Thank you.